GE Energy makes generators used all over the world to generate electricity in all sorts of different power plants, ranging from hydroelectric all the way up to nuclear power plants. We created an application alongside GE called GECCOS, which stands for General Electric Component Checking Object Suite, and it was exclusively designed to be a mobile application. GE Energy is located in Minden, Nevada, roughly 50 miles south of Reno, Nevada, nestled in the foot of the Sierra Nevada mountain range. Here, both software development and manufacturing take place. We worked closely with General Electric to develop a product that provides support for the 3500 rack unit, cross-validating various components such as probes, I/O modules, and cables being installed, as well as to provide rotor balancing. And all of this on a device that you can fit in your pocket.
When developing GECCOS, we decided to develop it exclusively for the Apple hardware, including the iPod Touch and iPhone, with plans to implement onto the iPad as well. We decided to implement on the iPhone because each field technician is already supplied with an Apple iPhone. The environment used to develop the application is Apple's Xcode. Xcode provided the functionality the team needs to easily document and develop the code using both a graphical storyboard as well as advanced text editing features. Once GECCOS is open, the user is shown a splash screen with a General Electric icon. It then takes you to the main cable validation screen. The user can then select a slot to work on and key in the component the user is currently installing. Once the user keys in any additional components, the compatibility between the components is shown. The user can do this for all 14 slots.
GECCOS also utilizes the onboard camera to scan serial numbers, allowing the field technician to add parts with ease. Every serialized component is stored in a SQLite database on the phone. The user can view each component by category and can also see detailed information about each component. If the user wishes, a part can also be updated directly on the phone. Any changes made to the part will be synced to a central server, and the global component database will be updated on a daily basis. If a part is not installed in the system, the user can add it directly to the phone, which will then sync to the server, which stores the part database. GECCOS also provides the ability to perform rotor balancing, which is necessary for any generator to properly work without any safety risks. The user enters in key data received from System 1, GE's rack monitoring system, and GECCOS informs the user of what type of weight to place on the generator shaft, as well as the proper angle. Inside the parts database, the user can view the compatible parts for each component at a glance. GECCOS also provides the ability of in-app email to allow the user to report any bugs or request new features. Lastly, GECCOS provides the ability to perform a loop check of the entire rack system. Each rack slot can display the numerous variables of incoming data. By viewing all 14 slots at a glance, the field technician can make sure that he installed everything correctly.